Orlando's most infamous mother walked out of jail acquitted of murdering her own daughter. We can finally learn the names of the jurors who set her free. Of course, we're talking about Casey Anthony. The names of the jurors in her murder trial could be released as early as tomorrow. The names of the 7 women and 5 men have been sealed for the past 3 months on orders of Judge Belvin Perry. He wanted to give the public time to, quote, cool off after that controversial acquittal. Judge Alex Ferrer here to talk more about this. Judge Alex, you covered this trial extensively with us here at Fox 35. What do you expect to hear from these jurors? Are they still going to try to stay out of the limelight?
I sure hope so. I really do, Sonny. I got to tell you, I understand everybody's need to know and desire and the media's obligation to try to get as much information as possible. I will tell you right now, this is, I think, the absolute worst scenario possible for our judicial system. If jurors start getting hounded and followed and threatened and bothered about what they did in a case, what we're going to end up with is jurors not wanting to serve. And then what you end up with in trial are not jurors who are interested in finding the truth, but the only jurors who end up showing up to serve are the ones who think they're going to be able to sell their story for a book deal or a movie or something like that. And that can really undermine our system of justice. So I hope they stay out of the limelight and avoid any confrontation.
Well, I mean, it's only been a few months, and obviously the entire world was shocked at that acquittal. Do you think the heat has died down on this story enough, or do you think people are just as interested now in knowing who these jurors were as they were back in July?
I think it's died down considerably. You know, time heals all wounds, as they say. So I think the original outrage is settled down, but you know, this is going to stoke it up somewhat. And there will always be those who seek to find fault with a juror's decision and confront them about it. So I'm not a big fan of releasing their identity.
Okay, well, we appreciate you talking with us, Judge Alex Ferrer. Thank you so much.